Today I'm going to teach you how to set a file thumbnail in Figma. This is a great way to make your files more recognizable and organized, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to the file or project where you want to set your custom thumbnail. This could be any active project you're working on or an existing file that needs better visual identification. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see your Pages panel. Click on the plus icon that's located right beside Pages. This action will create a new page within your current file, giving you a dedicated space to design your thumbnail without interfering with your main work. After creating this new page, you'll want to name it something clear and easy to identify. Type in something like thumbnail so you know exactly what this page is for. Keeping your workspace organized like this makes it much easier to navigate as your project grows. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the frame icon. Click on it to create a new frame. This frame will serve as the canvas for your thumbnail design, so you're essentially setting up the foundation for what viewers will see when browsing your files. Once your frame is ready, head over to the right side of your screen and click on Figma Community. From there, select Plugins and File Cover. This plugin is specifically designed to help you create and manage file thumbnails, making the entire process much more streamlined and professional. Now comes the creative part. You can start editing your thumbnail to make it visually appealing and representative of your project. Let's begin by adding some pictures. You can upload images that capture the essence of your design or use elements that make the file instantly recognizable. After you've added your images, it's time to include some text. This could be the project name, a brief description, or any labels that help identify the file at a glance. The combination of visuals and text creates a clear, professional-looking thumbnail. Once you're satisfied with how your thumbnail looks and you've arranged all the elements just the way you want them, head back to the left side of your screen, find your thumbnail frame, right-click on it, and select Set as Thumbnail. This final action officially assigns your custom design as the file's thumbnail. And that's it. You've successfully set a custom thumbnail for your Figma file, making it easier to identify and more visually appealing in your file browser. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.